Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hello guys, welcome back again in my another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix incoming call not showing on Android phone. As you can see, I have an incoming call but it's not displayed in my mobile screen. There are no any option to receive this call. If you want displayed, we have to open dial option, and obviously you don't want to follow this step. So let's see how we can fix it. First and basic tricks is just clear your background running applications, and after it reboot your phone. Hopefully this will fix your problem. It was the basic and first method, but if this trick do not work for you, then go to your mobile settings, and in settings go to apps manager or apps whatever you have like apps manager, just open it. And here scroll down and try to find out phone or phone manager whatever option you have. Okay, I got it. Now go to storage. Here first clear caches, I have already cleared it, and then clear data. Remember, if you clear data, your call history also will remove with it. So you should take a backup before clear data. Okay, now go to back and tap on notifications. As you can see here, it's blocked. So just turn the toggle off and then turn on allow picking. Hopefully your Bluetooth problem solved with this trick. As you can see, I have fixed my problem. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.